Guys, it's me, Bria. Today I'm here to react to Nature's Girls Studio Choom dance video, choreography video. I did go ahead and watch for the very first time their music video, and I loved it so much. The dance was, oh my gosh, the dance was so freaking good. And I was like, I need to watch like a dance practice or something of this. A couple weeks ago, I did see that they had the Studio Choom version of it. So I decided, why not watch it? Why not react to it? So very excited for this. So let's go. Oh, and if you did see my music video reaction I did, then you will know that one of the girls on there, I kept saying she seemed like she was from the Girls Next Door group when they sang the big blue eyes. Deep blue eyes. Yes, there is. Deep blue eyes. And I was like, she seems so familiar, like she's from there, and she definitely was. Sohee is her name. So yes, here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Click. Okay. I was like, I have sound on, right? Wow, look at Sohee in the middle. Oh my gosh, this dance. I love how they all kind of run the same thing but different. I love when groups do that. I remember I kept saying she has such a great voice. And I'm like, she still has a great voice. I love these outfits. Okay, Sohee. Wow. Just a pretty moment in the song, this part. Whoa! Dang, what am I singing? I don't know. That. Okay. That, yes, I'm here for it. Basically, is what I'm trying to say, though. Hey. Yes, get it, girl. Get it. Yes, get it, girl. Hey. Yes, they're killing this. They're freaking killing this. Wow, she has amazing facials. And I'm here. Oh, I'm here for it. I love it. Like, she knows how to work that camera. Yes, girl. This is such a, like I said, such a pretty moment in the song. Yes. Yes. Okay, yes. Hey. Yes. Oh, snap. Yes. No, yes. I forgot about that moment. Yes. 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 These skirts remind me of something. I'll say it after it's over. Yes, girl. Goodness, they freaking killed that. Yes, they did. They freaking killed that. That was amazing. Oh my gosh. And that was so good, but I still feel like I need to see like everything, so I can just take everything in. So I need like a dance practice. I need to look and see if they have a dance practice, but I'll probably just watch it on myself. Goodness, that was amazing. What I was gonna say earlier is those skirts remind me of something, and I'm not sure if you guys know the group, K-pop group, Stellar, and they had a song. I can't think of the song now. It's not Marionette. I can't think of it now, but they had a song where they wore skirts kind of like that, where it was like open with their legs, and I'm pretty sure it was very similar to that. It must be pretty similar if it made me think of it, but yeah. Gosh, that was so freaking good. Oh my goodness. I definitely need to watch out for more things from nature. Check them out. I think I said I was going to do that last time, but I haven't, but I've been really busy. Gosh, that was amazing. Oh, wow. And if you know anything more about nature or anything like that, please let me know more about them because, and like if they already have some music videos out, let me know what I need to check out next or something because that was amazing. I need I need to stop sleeping on them. Basically, what I'm saying. Thank you guys so much for watching this reaction. If you like this reaction and want to see more I do in the future like this, then please like and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell with the parentheses around it. That way you can get notified of everything I'm putting up in the future. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.